the Edmonton Oilers would like to select with their first pick?
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Super exciting day.
Very, yeah. I think I'm a fast, skilled playmaking center.
It's unbelievable. My dad's working for Edmonton, so it's pretty special.
First, it's fun, but at the same time, it's weird. I never expected. It was something that we thought we'd talk about it before, earlier. And now it happens, and it's great. It's awesome.
Evan Bouchard just snapped me. Yeah. Take a look.
Oh, wow. Jeez.
Oh, it means everything. I think, growing up, you dream of this day to come, and just being here, words don't really describe it. It's just so unbelievable. Ryan Smith was my favorite player growing up, so yeah, I was a pretty big Oilers fan. Worked a two-piece like no one else, I think. That's the biggest thing I liked about him. All his Team Canada moments and what he did for the Oilers was just huge. Congrats, bro. That's good.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Boom.
Congrats.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
congratulations.